Alright, so we got the dogs out. It's really deeper than that. She's just not sinking. She's just not sinking down all the way. She's looking for the ball. Oh, by the way, I'm not standing anywhere near the ground. Hey, stop it, Chance. Get him one of those toys. Hey, stop. Come here, Emma. Yeah. This is gonna be insane right here, girl. You ready? You ready? I don't know. It's okay. Let me have. Look at that. That's probably 5 feet right there. Maybe 4.5. Come here. Let me have. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, it's going to get down to 0 degrees tonight. It's going to get down to 0 tonight. This right here may be the deepest section. Can you see this? Can you see this right here, honey?
Pretty high over there. Wow.
Here.
Hey, girl.
Come on, Emma. Come on. Emma. Good girl, Emma. Come on, Emma. Come on. Oh, wow. Alright. We'll get more later. Oh. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Chance. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Yay. It's okay. Nobody's going to get you. Hey, go potty. Go potty. No. Chance, there's nothing over there, man. Oh, man. Oh, Sarah.
What is it?
Oh, yeah. Right here. The snow is up to the top of the fence right here. It's up to right here. On their side.
Oh, that fence doesn't fall.
I didn't even think about that. It's in bad shape, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, hey, you guys need to go potty. Hey, Chance. Hey, Chance, watch this. Chance. 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 Come on, buddy. Yay. Yay.
No, don't do that.
Chance, stop. You ready, girl? You ready? You ready?
Chance.
Go get it. Hey, buddy, you are covered in snow. Come on. Come on, Chance. Come on. Oh, Emma. will be our path. This is where you guys are gonna have to go potty over here. Oh, he's stuck. Emma, do not. All right, let me have. You ready? You ready, girl? You ready? We'll go get it. All right, I'll take some more video later. My hand's literally frozen to this camera.